Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about the Gaussian Blur in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. So Adobe changed the functions. In the old versions, you go to Effects and you drag and drop Gaussian Blur to your video. And then you can add here a mask. But now we can't add a mask because they removed this option and they changed the whole function. And so to add a mask, you need first to go to these tools and to choose the rectangle mask tool. And then after clicking on it, you can just draw a rectangle and then you go to the effects and you choose under blur and sharpen, you can choose Gaussian blur. Now we blurred this area and you have another tools. If you press long on the tool, you will have more options. You have an object mask tool. And here, for example, we can select this woman here and you can see now we blurred her. And you can also use the pen tool. You need also to press long. And using the pen tool, you can draw and mask objects in the video. So you have many options, but Adobe changed the function. So in the old versions, you add first a Gaussian blur and then you add a mask. Now you add a mask and then you add the Gaussian blur. That's all for today. I hope I helped you. See you in other videos.